Hey guys, maybe new Latinx Canal. She won't be with us at this time because she's ashamed of what's in front of us. But if this is your first time to your channel, ayo! I just love that there's new ones. Oh god, I'm so excited. I'm like freaking out. Just so you know, we are making these back to back, but obviously they're not posted back to back. Yeah. We are now moving on to the next part of her declutter video, which is eyelashes.
She's super excited, and I'm over here, and I want to cry. I didn't know it had gotten this bad.
In the cabinets, it doesn't look like
this. Right? It doesn't look as crazy in the drawer.
So I won't lie, I really don't know any differences about like which are good lashes, which are bad lashes. I mean, like price-wise, the only ones that I've ever had experience with are the Sephora ones, but even the Sephora ones that she has, I've never seen before.
The Lily ones?
Yeah.
The
a collab?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's just dive right in at this point. There's some that have been completely unopened, but I do know that these are relatively on the cheap side.
Or down.
Because I've seen them also on like the $2. Like, you know how they get the name brands and then they have the section where like everything's kept. That's where these are from. I know it because I've seen them all the time.
Most of them are pretty affordable. Move them to the side though if I'm going to keep it.
No, I'm just kind of looking at them, kind of like explaining what I see. I see some blues. There's some combined packaging. There's some that she's completely never opened before. There's some that she's used almost all of, but then also like hasn't. So that way, like, I don't even know how to organize those ones. Yeah. I almost want to say you have so many that you don't have to keep ones like these.
But those are for individual lashes.
But that's what hoarders say.
That's a lot of lashes left on there.
But she also has like full complete packages of brand new ones. Which at this point it's like, isn't this the point, is to get rid of some?
But not the individual lashes. Those are a little bit different because if I mess up and ones like don't stick, I actually end up using a lot, so I need to have a lot. Yeah. So you can take out all the individual lashes because I'm not getting rid of any of those. So you might as well just take all of those out and just move them.
Let's just put those to one. Here are individuals.
Yeah. So I guess we can say the name brand though. Some are Ardell. These ones are the Kiss.
These ones? No, what we can do is can you put them in?
That's kind of annoying to have to do though.
Obviously when it gets too crazy, like these ones literally she has like a whole pack, it was like a set. Only has literally 5.
Okay, 5. I'll throw that away. I'll send you.
Everything gets approved by Anna. This is cool because this is a whole set. Like it's got the tape. I don't know what the heck this is. Oh, it's to help you like put them on.
You can take that as a starter kit. You want that one? So just the Ardell. It's the deluxe pack. It's got 2 of the demis. So
I've never seen this before. I don't even think you can really get them in stores anymore, to be honest with you guys. I know I would have gotten it if I'd seen that, because a starter kit, like, who else doesn't want a starter kit when you first get something? These ones are nice. This is called
I thought we were taking out all of the individuals.
Well, I've seen them, but this is what I've seen, and I want to tell the people as I've come.
She's getting distractions.
God, like, is it my channel or hers? She said she didn't even want to be part of this video, but she wants to have direction. I think that's all the individuals, since Anna's not even helping.
All the individuals?
She's not even helping.
Oh, wow, they're right here. There's some right there. And it looks like these are just all the Ardell ones that I'm looking at. Oh, these are ones I got from Amazon. These are like actual individuals. Like they're not the clusters. They're like actual, like you're going to the place to get your lashes done. Those are really hard to do, but those are great.
Wow.
You're going to have to let me do your lashes one day.
Do them today.
And you're going to have to definitely sign a waiver that says like if your eyeballs fall out, then I'm not liable. Basically.
I'm so scared. I don't want to sign up for that. And you know what's the craziest part? I still do. This is another kit that looks kind of cool, but also a little different. I've never seen anything like that.
Oh, it's another like starter kit. I think I mainly got it because I wanted mini scissors, and then I like getting the like little clamps. So.
Okay, this one's the one like that I will question, and kind of also want to be like throw it away.
Why?
Because they look almost like
I just washed those, but they're cut apart because I like add them if I already have.
But that's why I want to ask you, because I was like, they almost look like, why are they like this? Is it because you wear them too much? You wash them, makes sense. So we can put these over there. These ones look beautiful.
Let me see.
Lash Couture.
I actually don't really like those.
What?
So you might as well take those. They're like, they like are flat.
But you can like crimp them.
I do, and I feel like they don't really.
Do you do it before you put them on?
Yeah.
What? I'll try them, and if they don't work for me,
I don't really like these ones either, though. And because of that, it's the same.
Are they the same ones?
They're a different style. So these are just the Kiss, the Lash Couture. They're the faux mink collection. So they were supposed to be like bougie Kiss lashes, but
they look really bougie. That's why I like them.
They're not for me.
More
individual lashes. So I'm just gonna move these over.
I'm gonna put these over there because these are literally says individual or lash remover for individual lashes.
That's for those. You can probably take out the glues too. I saw a few. So here's glue. blue. I'm gonna keep the remover.
How about these? These almost look like Halloweenish.
Mm-hmm.
Like dramatic Halloween. She has a lot of those, which I think are really cool. She's got these ones, Dark Maiden.
But I don't think they should be kept with the rest of my lashes.
Well, that's why I was like, that's why I'm grabbing them now, because I was like, you have like enough that these have its category.
Yeah, so I'll take them over here.
Mesmerizing? But this one's missing one.
Can I throw it away? I kind of like the bottom part.
That's why I was like, only because they have matching, the bottom has a matching set. You can keep them. Beautiful.
Yeah, from TJ Maxx.
Jesus Christ, who is this lady? I've never heard of her.
Are you for real? Lily Galici?
No.
You don't know who Lily Galici is?
No.
Girl, you gotta get hip to it.
What is this for?
To apply them.
I don't know. I think what I'm trying to say is I don't know the hype. Like, I'm not like, oh my god, can I have one? I'm more like, who is this? She has a nice box.
Oh gosh. Should we maybe try to see if there's like
double up. I think these we can keep together because they are her and you seem to specifically like her things. Lily lashes, Lily lashes, Lily lashes, Lily lashes.
Do you want some of the Lily lashes? Let me see which ones I have a lot
I
of.
want like super dramatic ones.
These are the Lily lashes. You guys have seen them in hauls. They're from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I have like a few different styles, but I have like a ton of them because I literally pick these up whenever I find them. Are these too dramatic for you? Or do you want like, this one's pretty nice. In London is actually pretty nice. Yeah.
Wow.
You like these?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know why, but I feel like I'm kind of just getting into lashes, like still learning how to do them.
Yeah.
So not super dramatic where like I can be called out just yet. Soon I can wear them where I'm like, yeah, I know I'm freaking wearing fake lashes. Get out of my face. They look amazing.
Yeah.
So these are double up, double up, double up.
That's still Ardell double up?
Yeah.
But are they the same style?
Yeah.
I want to try one of these because they haven't, these ones I know I haven't used yet.
Yeah. Any ones that I can kind of like, that you don't mind giving away, but also just know that they might not work, and then I might like give a frustrated and like crumble them up.
Okay, that's fine.
What about this one? That
looks that's like my favorite. I've used them like 1,017 times.
These are same brand.
So these are just the, is this Vegas Nay or Eylure? I think it's Eylure in collaboration with Vegas Nay, and I always say it wrong. These are like some of my favorites. Oh, these are that same brand too. Like all the boxes like this.
This isn't too bad. We're basically already almost done.
This is
These are spooky. These ones are your fave. We kind of want to keep those like over there where like
this one's been used. All of these have been used.
They're both revived.
Yeah, and these are the ones that I got from TJ Maxx and Marshalls also. So I've shown those in a haul.
These ones look brand new. It's pretty nice. These ones are a twin pack, mega volume, salon perfect. I kind of want to keep these here. These are natural multi-pack.
In the drawer.
Halloween, I see some here. Ooh, here's some lilies. These are also Halloween. They have
this one too.
Yeah.
Do you want Havana?
Yeah.
Havana, na.
Cut it out.
Oh my god.
These are pretty.
But Halloween-y, right?
Yeah, because they're purple too. I mean, you could technically wear them on a night out, but more Halloween. I feel like you talked about these. Couture. Oh, is that the ones I could play with? I can't remember.
I don't think I've used any.
Well, look, you have a brand new natural light. I think you used one, but that's how you figured out you didn't like them. And this right there. Yeah. Look.
Because they're not going to like fit in the drawer, right?
She's like not keeping them up. These go in here. Because it's the same brand, but I don't really know.
Ardell Faux Mink. These I've used before, I don't know. Because I use them and I just don't feel like washing them, so I'll just use them.
Lashes, oh, I was going to say lashes included, duh, obviously.
These are like basically the same ones, yeah. They're from Walmart.
Yeah.
These are the Salon Perfect ones, but I got these ones from TJ Maxx or Marshalls, whatever. This is just the Cosmania Lashes for Days, but they look like the Salon Perfects. These I would give to you, but I feel like you're not going to like them because they're super flimsy and they're hard to apply.
Yeah, no.
Otherwise, I would let you try it.
Yeah.
Same for these, I think.
Yeah.
More of the Faux Mink that I've already freaking used for no reason.
The volume. Salon Perfect. There's two of the same, Perfectly Glamorous. And then a twin pack.
Is there any lashes left in this? Okay, well that sucks. It's not going to really have a container.
What these are.
I don't like these ones. These I got on like super sale from Ulta. I don't even know what they are anymore. Can I throw these away?
Yeah.
I've had them literally forever. Oh my gosh, we're throwing away one thing of lashes.
These are pretty. Back girl. They're almost like, they are Halloween, but they're also not. But I would still put them there.
They're the Halloween ones. lashes.
Bring the salon home. Kiss.
Mm-hmm.
They don't look natural, by the way.
They look really pretty.
People will know.
Oh, this is what those lashes were. It's this brand, whatever this is. I don't want this either because it looks stupid. It has like the wing attached. So I would cut it off and just use the lashes. But like, look how like they look like caterpillars. Do you want or can I toss?
Toss.
Throw away, right?
These are Salon Perfect, perfectly natural multi-pack.
Why is there like 5 million different kinds in here though?
Because they're multi-pack.
And these, hang on, because this one needs to be thrown away. The one that's at the bottom. It looks like disgusting.
And then here is another kit.
I have 2 of those kits.
No.
There's like the same one that you keep picking up.
Yeah. I keep saying kit, kit, kit. Oh, individuals.
Yeah.
And then Elf. These are actually pretty not looking good. But they might be good if you don't like them that I could practice on.
I was just about to say that. That's why I want to see if I use them, and I have already.
So we basically got rid of a lot. Like either donated to me. Like these are all small packs that can fit in here. Those have been put away pretty nicely. Here are like all the one brand that also fit in her container thing really nicely. So I feel like these can go into one drawer.
I literally almost knocked over my drink. It would have been a whole disaster in this entire room. I feel like some of the Lily lashes though can go somewhere in one of these boxes.
I'm gonna stay on this end. Let me just fix this. The rest of them are gonna put away. They're pretty straightforward.
We're just gonna put these in the drawer kind of however they fit, but I think that's basically gonna be how they stay. Because the lashes are pretty straightforward.
They're just boxes.
Throw them in
They're
there.
really, like, we basically showed you guys everything that we possibly could besides putting them on.
Honestly, I think that was like the easiest section we could do.
I picked the easiest one first.
Yeah.
Great job.
Yeah, so that's this one. Well, I'll show you guys again. The collection series stuff is going to be separate from the declutter because I feel like otherwise these videos would be literally 5 days long. That's just the declutter for the lashes. I don't know what we're going to do next.
We're just going down the drawers.
Oh, so I think it's going to be eyeshadows. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you have hit the little bell and that you've like clicked off or whatever. I don't know how it goes. That you want to see all of the videos?
No. Click the bell. So you'll hit subscribe if you're not subscribed. You should be. Don't know why you aren't. Then you're going to hit that little bell on it. That came out way more aggressive than it was. Hit the little bell. That's going to alert you every time that she posts a video. Because the way that YouTube has been, like, I've been following, like, every subscriber I have, they, like, hide the newest videos. So you'll see older videos before the newer videos. So you want to hit that button so that way you aren't seeing the repeat and wondering, like, where is she? And I'm going to go to her page. So hit that bell so that way it alerts you every time that she uploads a video. As of right now, it's definitely we. We're going to have a couple videos.
Yeah.
I was only supposed to be a feature in one. Turns out I'm going to be a feature in this, like, documentary series.
A documentary series?
Because this ended up turning into a quarters episode. Makeup edition.
Don't make me embarrassed.
This is a hoarding.
This is embarrassing. And I look super shiny. I'm like kind of sweating, but not.
Oh my god, you're gonna wonder what I'm touching. And that's just a story time story for another day.
It does look like you're kind of up to some weird things in the back. She brought that here. It wasn't mine, just so you are aware.
Oh no, I did not bring a Yankee candle filled of purple stuff. We can put this in slime.
Don't mind this one in the back. She doesn't know how to act. She's never been out of the house before. I'm gonna go.
All I had was Gatorade as of right now.
Oh my god. So we're gonna go.
Look at you. You're looking sus and you look dead.
Do I?
Yes.
I told you these lights like really wash me out though and make me look super pale, right?
They do.
Right?
Oh my god, Anna, you look like you have no makeup on it in there, but I'm looking at you in your face and you do.
Well, by now it's melted off.
No. It's not, honey.
Does it look disgusting?
No, but that makes it look disgusting.
It's these lights.
Yes.
They're not the best.
They said we're going to expose you.
But she says I look better in person, so I'll take it.
Take my word for it.
I'll take it. We gotta go. We're turning this camera off. This is embarrassing. I'm embarrassing. My life is embarrassing. She's embarrassing!
I can't breathe. I'm cramping up. I might actually die. Okay, breathe. I can do this.
Oh my god, I can't breathe for real. I'm seriously sweating because I'm laughing so much, and I have to pee, so. Muchísimas gracias. Adios. Okay, see ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, bienvenido a mi canal. Actually, Anna's canal. If this is you, wait, what? Sorry, I got so distracted. Hey guys, bienvenido a Anna's canal.
Wait, start over so that I'm not like moving all weird.
God,
Sorry.
she's really ruining my life.
Oh, what's that from? Freaky Friday.
Oh, yes. Great movie.
What's in your hair?
the clip.
No, there's something on the other side. It's like a little fluff or something. Go like this. No, a little lower. There's
How
like
do you feel it?
no.
She was a real friend. She would have done that before we started recording.
I didn't know it was there.